A very warm good morning to my dear student of class 4. Today in maths revision, as you all know, we have already revised chapter 4, 5 and 6, some parts of chapter 6, right? So, in this video, we are going to revise the portion of chapter 6, the last exercise of chapter 6, that is 6D. Okay? In chapter 6D, we are having multiplications. Multiply 496 by 262. Let me solve one or two questions of this so that you will easily understand what the question is asking for. Okay? Now, in question number 1, multiply 496 by 262. Children, the question is given in words. Now you have to, there is two things you have to do. First you have to change this into a digits, then after you have to changing into digits you have to multiply. So let's do the question number A, that is, first write the exercise 6D. Okay, A. So what is the question? 496 by 262. So write 496 by 262. So what is our first job? Our first job is to change these digits, change these words into a digits. So what is 496, right? 496. So how to write 496? 496 ऐसे लिखते हैं ना. Now इसको divide किसे करना? 262. So write 2. This is 262. So how to write this one? 262. अब हमें क्या करना है? What we have to do? We have to multiply. So 496 into multiply. So this is a sign of multiply. 262. Right? 2 6 are 12. 1. 2 9 are 18 plus 1 19. 1. 2 4 are 8 plus 1 9. Let's cross here because we are dealing with now 10th position. 6 6 are 36. 6 3. 6 9 are 54. 54 plus 3, that is equal to 57. So 7 5. 6 4 are 24. 24 plus 5 29. Now let's cross 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 1. 2 9 are 18 plus 1 19. 1. 2 4 are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So let's write 9. So let's, what we have to do now? We have to add. It will be 2. 9 plus 6, that is 15. 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 7 17. 17 plus 2 19. So 1 carry. 9 plus 9 18. 18 plus 1 19. 9 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10. 11 12. So 12. So what will be answer? 1,29,952. Okay children. So in this way we learn that whenever you are getting this type of questions, what you have to do? First change that. So in this way we learn that whenever we are getting this type of questions, first what we have to do? We have to change the words into a digits and then we have to multiply. Okay children, it's very easy. Now let's do exercise 6D. Another, that is find the product. So this is simple multiplication. Let's do one of the multiplication, that is question number I. 4 digits number 423. So question number I. How to do multiplications of, so this I is, this is 2 and I. Okay, 2 ka I. 5 7 9 3 into 423. Okay, so it's 5793 into 423. जब भी whenever you are doing multiplication, give a good space so that it will help you to do the multiplication. एकदम सटा सटा के नहीं करना, इससे क्या होगा, आप खुद कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. थोड़ा स्पेस दोगे तो you will be having more easy to do the multiplications. 9 9 जा 3 3 जा 9, 3 9 जा 27 7. नाउ यही मैंने बोला, यहाँ पे 2. अब आपके पास स्पेस है तभी ना आप कर पाओगे. 9 7 जा 21, 21 plus 2 23, so it's 3 2. 9 5 3 5 ja 15, 16 17, so this is 17. Okay, now let's do 2 3 ja 6, 2 9 ja 18, 1 2 7 ja 14 plus 1 15, 1 2 5 ja 10, 10 plus 1 11, 4 3 ja 12, 1 4 9 ja 36 plus 1 37, so write 7 here, 3 here, 4 this one 3, 4 36 37, so 3 7 here, 3 here, not here. 4 7 ja 28, 28 29 30 31, so 1 3, 4 5 ja 20, 20 plus 3 23. Okay, 4 3 ja 12, 1 4 36 37 7, 3 28 29 30 31, 1 3 4 5 ja 20 plus 3 23. So 9, 7 plus 6 is 13, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 2 14, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 7 that is 20, 2 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 4 5, so it will be 5, 3 plus 1 4 2. Okay, now so what is your answer? Your answer is 24,50,439. so this is your answer. Understand children, whenever you have to do this type of multiplication, you do it like this way. It just take 5 minutes but it need your concentration. आप फोकस रख करके अच्छे से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो देखो वो, और यू डोंट फॉरगेट टू कैरी ऑल्सो. कैरी करना भूल जाते हैं इसीलिए बहुत बार मार्क्स चले जाते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. आई हैव ऑलरेडी सॉल्व लॉट ऑफ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स इन दिस. आई थिंक आउट ऑफ 10 आई हैव सॉल्व 5. नाउ आई हैव गिवन यू अनदर, जो मैंने सॉल्व किया मैं वो नहीं करूँगी. लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मैम ने बना दिया है. नाउ लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. A man brought 120 bags of apples. Each bag contained 2121 apples. How many apples are there in all? So a person is having how many apples? He is having how many bag of apples? 120 bags of apple. In a bag there is 2121 apples. तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना. Why? वो आपको एक बैग में बता दिया कितना एप्पल्स है और उसके बाद वो बता रहा है कि आपको टोटल कितना पूछ रहा है. तो आपको हमेशा ऐसा जब पूछेगा तो यू शुड नो इट इज़ अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. आपको दे विल गिव यू, सो whenever you are getting a question like this, that where they have asked you, they have given you details of one bag or one packet or anything one, and then they are asking about 120 bags or इतने पैकेट्स का कितना होगा, then you just do multiplication. ठीक है, this is a question of multiplication. So let's do question number 2 one by one, so it will be easy for you to understand. Now question number 2. A man brought 120 bags of apple. ठीक है, so total number of bags of apple is, क्या लिखना है पहले में, total number of bags of apples कितना है, 120. Each bag contain 2121 apple. So one bag have how many apples have, कितने apples हैं, have 2121 apples. ठीक है. Now how many apples are there in all? So total number of apples in all is equal to 2121 into 120. Right? You have to do like this way. करना है ना इस तरह से. So 2121 into 120. So 0 1 ja, everything whatever we multiply with 0 it will be 0. So just write 0 1 ja 0, 0 2 ja 0, 0 1 ja 0, 0 2 ja 0. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So it's easy. 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2. So it will be easy, much easy. 0 0 plus 2 2, 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5 and 2. So how many total apples are there? 2,54,520. So thus total numbers of apples are 2,54,520 in all. ठीक है. This much you have to do. Everyone, are you able to understand? कैसे किया मैम ने, आपको पता चला? Okay. Now let's do question number 6. A train has 18 कंपार्टमेंट्स. ट्रेन में बहुत कंपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं. कंपार्टमेंट को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? डिब्बा बोलते हैं, एक एक डिब्बा. तो ट्रेन हैज़ 18 कंपार्टमेंट एंड ईच कंपार्टमेंट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3,178 पैसेंजर्स एट पीक आवर. पीक आवर मतलब जब बहुत भीड़ होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड पीक आवर, जो सबसे बिजिएस्ट आवर्स होता है. हाउ मेनी पैसेंजर ट्रेवल इन अ ट्रेन ड्यूरिंग पीक आवर्स. तो पीक आवर में कितना पैसेंजर ट्रेवल करेंगे? तो ट्रेन में कितना अपार्टमेंट है? 18 अपार्टमेंट्स. और एक अपार्टमेंट में कितना है, कितने पैसेंजर है? 3,178. तो टोटल कितने होंगे? 3,178 into 18. Okay. So now let's do the sum. So total number of apartments in a train. How to write? Total number of compartments in the train is, how many compartments are there? 18. Okay, 18 compartments. So out of 18, in a compartment how many passengers are there? So total number of passengers in one compartment is, how many total number of passengers are there in a compartment? 3,178. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to just multiply so that we can know in a peak hour how many passengers travel in the train. Okay. So 3,178 into 18. So this is the total number of passengers. So how to find total number of passengers इन पीक आवर? आपको पीक आवर के बारे में निकालना है. ठीक है. तो कितना होगा? 3,178 into 18. सो आप क्या करोगे? 3,178 you multiply with how much? 18. Now 8 8 ja 64. So write 4 here, 6 up, 8 7 ja 56, 56 plus 6 that is 62. 2 6. 8 1 ja 8, 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. 1. 8 3 ja 24 plus 1 25. Now let's cross here. Let's go to the 10th place. 1 8 ja 8, 1 7 ja 7, 1 1 ja 1, 1 3 ja 3. Now what we have to do? We have to add. So it will be 4, 2 plus 8 10, 1, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 7 13. that is 12, sorry, 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, that is 7, 2 plus 3, 5. So total number of passenger in the train at a peak hour will be 57,204. So just write total number of passenger in the train at peak hour is 57,204. Okay children, so in this way you will complete the, I will show you this one so that you should not be having any problem. So in this way you will complete. I have already completed question number 1, 2 अभी बताया, 3, 4, 5 बहुत सारे मैंने questions I have completed. Match these questions along with the old one so that you will keep practicing the word problems. Word problems हमेशा 5 marks के रहेंगे. So you should be taking care that you should write the statement also. Lot of children what they do कि they don't write the statement. आप statement नहीं लिखोगे you will be getting less marks. Okay children? So in this way next class we are going to revise chapter 7, that is division part. For now you have to complete this chapter 6, do all the practice, do all the multiplication part, and then you will be easily through with the chapter. Okay, thank you very much. Take care of yourself, stay at home and keep practicing for exam. Okay children, thank you.